In this video, I will show you how to allow microphone access to your YouTube app on your Google TV without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do right here, you have to make sure you do this from your own from your Google TV settings. So next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure we navigate to the home tab right here. The next thing you want to do is to slide this way and make sure we go to settings. And the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and simply click on setting and click on OK. In some cases, you can directly click on setting icon on your remote control of your Google TV. If you have a setting icon on your remote control, just click on it and it will take you to proper settings right here. And the next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here. Make sure you continue to scroll down until you get to apps. Go ahead and click on apps. And then if you cannot see your YouTube app right here, go ahead and click on see all apps. And the next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down until you get to YouTube app right here. Click on it. And the next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down until you get to permissions. Click on permission. And the next thing you want to do right here, you have YouTube microphone right here, which is not allowed. Simply tap on it. And the next thing you want to do is to switch to allow only while using the app. Click on OK and you are done. It's that simple. You can go back to the home tab right here. So by the time you launch your YouTube app, your mic is going to work for searching of anything on your YouTube app in your Google TV. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.